Oh, I'm sorry. Did I wake you up? No, that's good. You looked so comfy sleeping that I didn't want to wake you up. Did you want me to accompany you to your room? No? It's pretty late. Teachers might scold you for being out of your room. And in mine. Alright, troublemaker. You can stay. But you better not get me in trouble with you. Huh? Oh, I was playing Modern Warfare. Do you mind if I finish this mission? I'm almost done with it. This is actually a really good game. You should give it a try. I know you don't have a PC, so you can use mine if you want. Who knows? Maybe you'll be better than me. Damn, that was really loud. Power's out now. Oh well, I guess we should... Hey, are you alright? Hey, calm down. It's just thunder. It can't hurt you. Come here. There. It's okay. You'll be just fine. I might not be in the hero course, but I still know how to comfort others, I think. Just breathe in and breathe out. Good. See? It's all good now. Where's this coming from all of a sudden? Of course not. I would never use my quirk without your permission. I see what you meant now. I guess it's true that it could be used to calm people down, but it just feels wrong. I don't want to act like a villain or something. I know you don't see me like that or anything, but I'm just tired of people telling me my quirk is perfect for a villain. I'm working really hard to be worthy of the hero course. I want to be a great hero more than anything, even if I don't have a flashy quirk like the rest of my classmates do. Well, thanks for thinking that my quirk is awesome, but most people would disagree on that. Even my parents told me I couldn't make it into UA, but I proved them wrong. Just like I proved everyone else wrong about me transferring into the hero course. I made it, and I got support from people like Aizawa who thought I was good enough for it. Yes, training with him is kinda hard, but he is a good teacher. Hey, it's just thunder. It can't hurt you. I know it's scary, but it's only noise. Can't really do anything to you. Remember that. Breathe with me, okay? That's good, see? You're a brave one. Me? No, I'm not scared of thunderstorms. They can be pretty annoying, actually. The power's back. That didn't take long. I think you should go to your room. Here, I'll walk you there. It's no problem. Now let's go. You need rest. Almost there. There. Now, what? Just wait here for a moment. I'll bring you some chamomile tea to help you sleep. Huh? Hey, come on. I promise I won't take long. I promise. Get cozy in your bed and I'll be right back. Here, be careful, it's hot. It's not a problem. I might not have many friends, but I know how to act like a normal person. I try my best, at least. Well, yes, I know Kaminari likes me. So do others from the hero course. But I don't know. I don't consider them as close as I do you. Well, thanks for considering me close too. You were so good to me from the start and thought of me as a hero unlike everyone else. So, thank you. I appreciate you for not judging me or looking at me like I'm some villain. Now, try to sleep a little. We have training first thing in the morning. Yeah, I know I don't sleep much, but that's not the point. Fine. I'll stay here with you if that makes you feel more at ease. You can be so annoying, you know. I don't need sleep. I'm perfectly okay. Huh. What do you mean I look like a dead man? Oh, come on, my eye bags are not that bad. You're just making fun of me. It's not like I don't sleep at all. I actually get a fair amount. My dark circles just seem to be permanent for some reason. Huh? No, I'm not asleep yet. I can't just pass out on command, you know. It takes time. Hey, what are you doing? Touching my hair. No, it's not like that. I don't hate it. It's just weird. Not weird in a bad way, I'm just not used to it. I didn't say you had to stop. It's okay. If that calms you down, you can keep doing it. This actually feels very nice. Huh? Oh, yeah. I guess my hair is kind of soft. No, I don't use any special product, it's just like that. Why? You don't like it? You think it's pretty? Well, thanks. I think your hair is pretty too. Can I touch your hair too? Yeah, just like I thought. It's as soft as it looks. You gotta be more confident in yourself, you know? I think you don't give yourself enough credit. To be frank with you, I feel intimidated by people like you and Midoriya. I feel like I'll never be able to catch up to either of you. Your quirks are just so flashy and amazing. I can't really compare to that. But it's okay. I'm not doing this for praise or anything. I just genuinely want to help people. That's what I want more than anything. Is to just become a great hero someday. I think you'll be an amazing hero too. Now try resting. I promise you I'll be right here in the morning when you open your eyes. Good night. Rest well.